If you've ever looked at a chart and had no idea where price is going to stop or reverse, this video is going to fix that. I'm going to show you the single most important concept in trading on PU Prime's web trader, and once you see it, you'll never look at a chart the same way again. Now let's get into it. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Right, I'm on PU Prime's web trader now, and I want to show you support and resistance. Probably the most important concept a beginner needs to understand before placing any trade. Support is a price level where the market has previously fallen to and bounced back up from. Resistance is a level where the market has risen to and been pushed back down from. The reason these levels matter is simple. They're areas where buyers and sellers have shown up in force before, and the market has a habit of returning to those same levels and reacting again. Think of support as a floor and think of resistance as a ceiling, right? Price bounces between them and breaks through. And when it does break through, that old resistance becomes old support and vice versa. Once you start marking these levels on a chart, you'll see them everywhere and they become the foundation for every decision you make about where to enter. If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, it's time to stop relying on guesswork. Let me introduce you to signalpeak.io, a trading signal platform built around precision and structure, not random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clearly defined entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, plus structured market analysis that actually explains the setup. There are also dedicated channels tailored to different trading styles, so you can follow what suits you best. Most importantly, everything is built around discipline and proper risk management because consistency always comes first. If you're still unsure, they offer a free trial so you can test the quality for yourself before committing. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure. Trade with confidence. Try signalpeak.io today. Now, let's get back to the video. So if we're just looking at the chart here, we're going to just map out some of the support and resistance. So this one here would be a resistance. Okay, and you can see down here, this one here would be a support. And price is clearly sort of bouncing between the two and then it pushes up. And as I said, that resistance then can become a support. So you can see here price bounce and then we continue pushing up. And what you'll notice is price then continued to use this resistance turn support. Then it eventually broke and you can see it kind of translates over where this whole area sort of then just became a serious level of, being worthy of being taken note of. And it's the same with, some of the older ones as well. So you've got a resistance line here. It carried through to over here. So this is basically a ceiling that we were going to be looking for, right? So price continues up. It then takes the same resistance, comes down, hits your support, and then continues lower. Now, obviously you've got some main ones, you zoom out a little bit, you can see more points, but as you zoom in, you can see there are more that you can draw if you wanted to. This one here, that's a resistance which then held and pushed lower. You've got a support in here which was held. Price came down, support, came down, support, come up to the resistance, then push down. And then obviously this resistance here was made as well, right? I'll just draw that back. So you can see that this resistance was holding and then eventually pushed down. Yeah. So you can see the price, you can kind of understand where it's going, right? You've got another support here, which, bounced off. We came back up and then we eventually pushed through it. Hence the downtrend now. Now, this is just a 4-hour time frame and you can build support and resistance on multiple time frames. Now, you can see here that on the 15-minute, there was a support here and price was coming up. We had sort of a resistance here. Price came down, came up to resistance, started pushing down. Again, smaller sort of resistant points as well. Price comes down. So you can see that price is bouncing very weak on the support and then we eventually broke through. hence the downtrend. So it gives you an idea of where the market's going as well. These are areas that you can trade from. Once you've got a few places going, you can see that we're clearly in a downtrend. On the 4-hour, we're in a downtrend, and on the 15-minute, we're following that downtrend, and we're not holding this support. Price breaks through, we're pushing down. It's a very easy way to understand where you can take trades from. It's a very easy way to understand the moves of the market, which direction it's in. And a little tip for people who are new to this: the candles can get quite messy. So when I was starting out, I used to put the line chart on, right? And I used to take it from two sort of points, right? You can see here you had a V shape here and a V shape here. And I used to just draw my support off that, carry it over, obviously. It then goes to there. Again, here, I take this point here and this point here, and you get a nice line going there. Again, here we had a top here and a top here. I then draw the line across. Now, what this then looks like is once you jump back to the candles, all of a sudden the wicks have been put in, and you can see that price is rejecting these areas. You can see how clean it was on the line chart and how nice it now looks once the wicks are put in as well, because the line chart basically ignores the wicks. It just takes the candle closes. So all of a sudden you get these support and resistance areas that looked easy to draw on the line chart and look really good once you put the candles back on. Right. Now, I want to switch gears completely because there's something happening right now that I genuinely think is worth talking about properly, and that's a PU Prime World Cup 2026 campaign. PU Prime are an official regional sponsor of the Argentinian Football Association, which is Messi's national team, the reigning world champions, and they've built an entire campaign around a tournament that's running right through to the end of the competition. This is not just a banner on a website. This is a fully interactive promotion with real prizes, real money, and real ways to get involved every single day. Here's how it works. Every time you trade and deposit on PU Prime during the tournament, you earn coins. Those coins are your currency throughout the whole campaign, and they unlock multiple ways to win. The first is the match day predictor. You're calling match results throughout the group stages and knockout rounds as the tournament progresses. The second is the top trio predictor. You're predicting which 3 nations finish at the top of the entire tournament. Get all 3 right and you take home the full reward. The third is the daily free kick spin. You get 1 free spin per day and you can earn extra spins by completing trades or hitting a standard lot threshold. Every spin gives you a shot at winning immediately. Now, let's talk about what you can actually win, because this is where it gets serious. The coin pool across the entire campaign is 300 million coins with a $50,000 prize pool sitting behind it. That's shared across the community as a team target, so every trade everyone makes contributes to unlocking it. On top of that, there's a lucky draw running throughout the tournament where prizes include an iPhone 17 Pro Max, a MacBook Air, $500 cash and more. The daily spin rewards include signed AFA jerseys. We're talking authentic Argentine Football Association signed merchandise, the same association as Messi, as well as deposit rebate coupons, profit booster coupons, and, loss protection coupons that go straight to your trading account. Trading vouchers are also in the mix, and those have direct value on your live trades. The whole promotion runs through to the end of the tournament and then into a post-event period where final rewards are redeemed and the community highlights are shared. So there's still a significant amount of tournament left and a significant amount of prizes still on the table. If you are not on PU Prime yet, there's never been a better reason to get started. The link is in the description. Get on it. Support and resistance. Mark your levels, respect them, and let the market come to you. Everything I showed you today is on PU Prime. The link is in the description, and while you're there, go check out their World Cup 2026 promotion. There's some serious prizes up for grabs and it's running right now. Subscribe and I will see you in the next one.